Hello, trading has closed on Monday, July 12th, 2021. We always start with our disclaimer. This is my trading plan for tomorrow, Tuesday, the 13th of July, 2021. Just remember, I can be completely wrong and all trades should be at your own risk. Look for the pattern with the early high. This is it. Tomorrow has the early low. Here's what we said. We said the day-long rally on Friday typically continues into Monday's open. There were a number of reasons to make it plausible that wouldn't happen. If it didn't happen, it was very negative. But if we continued higher, ideally by gapping up, we've overcome resistance. We had a confluence of time and price. We also had lower MEJT targets. Overnight, these targets printed in futures, and the lowest target actually was equivalent to the futures low. But I don't count these as being satisfied unless they occur in regular trading hours. So these didn't print as far as I'm concerned, even though they were relevant in futures. The optional target will forget, and the standard target goes on the list. Ultimate target ultimately should print. There's a new target from today's pattern, 43.7993. Unless we gap up smartly, that's my call for tomorrow. We got a signal in the morning. It was a buy. That certainly worked. MEJT said this rally wouldn't stick, said this drop wouldn't stick. Now it says the rally won't stick and the target's 43.7993. We now have another cluster of unfilled targets. As I've said, this happens about once or twice a year. In the past, they've always printed, but it doesn't mean they have to print anytime soon. We're breaking through what we described over the weekend as significant resistance. These breakouts can fail, but they usually fail early if they're going to fail at all. So if we do drop down tomorrow, which I'm not predicting one way or the other, if that happens, this doesn't really count. But if we just continue higher, you've gone past resistance in spite of all the negative breadth indicators we have. Those aren't really pinpoint indicators. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. It could gap up. There's a lower MEJT target. Unless we gap up smartly, it's favored to print. Market appears to be breaking through resistance. Moving down sharply at the open would invalidate the breakthrough. But otherwise, the high of this leg probably is not in yet. Tomorrow's pattern, it should have the early low, and that's today's call.